Wild animals live in places which they are called natural habitats. Tigers, zebras, elephants, monkeys, giraffes, and lions live in jungles. Jungles are dense in vegetation, have high temperatures, and often a lot of humidity. Some animals like hippos, rhinos, frogs, and alligators live near lakes or rivers. But not all animals like hot places. Some of them prefer very cold places, like polar bears, penguins, seals, and sea elephants. These animals live in the poles. Also, there are many animals that live in our oceans. Some are huge, like whales and sharks, and some are small, like octopuses, squids, and crabs. This is Earth's wildlife.